Dear students, we shall work out problem number 3. Please see problem number 3. Bhuvaneshwar, a resident individual, received in cash the following income as interest on securities during the previous year ending 31st March 2020. There are 5 items given in the problem. Please see, determine the interest on securities under the head income from other sources for the assessment year 2020-21, assuming that the interest is paid in each case on 30th June 2019, 31st December 2019. Okay, these days included in the previous year 2019-20. ಓಕೆ, 2 ದಿನಾಂಕ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವೇನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಓಕೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರ್. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರ್. ಡ್ರಾ one particular amount column. Please write rupees in amount column. Next, write down first item. Okay, please see rupees 6,000 as interest on government securities. Write only interest on government securities. Point A, interest on government securities. If any interest received on government securities need not to be grossed up. Okay, whatever interest given, that is gross interest. Write down amount column, how much? 6,000. Completed. Okay, next. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ issued by the local authority. If any debentures, okay, debenture is one of the security, okay, issued by a local authority. Okay, if a interest on debenture issued by local authority given in the problem, okay, then you have to gross it up. Okay, you know the formula. Okay, net income into 100 divided by TDS on interest, how much? 10%. 100 minus TDS, how much? 90. Okay, apply this formula. Okay, point B, interest on debentures issued by local authority. Write in bracket 7,200 into 100 divided by 100 minus 10, how much? 90. Is it 8,000? Okay, write down amount column 8,000. Completed. Next, number 3, rupees 7,200 as interest on debentures of Meghadoot Limited, not listed. Okay, listed or not listed, TDS percentage 10%. Okay, only interest amount given, then you have to gross it up. Okay, write down. Point number C, interest on debentures of Meghadoot Limited. Write in bracket 7,200 into 100 divided by 100 minus 10, how much? 90. How much? 8,000. Completed. Next, point number D, rupees 7,200 as interest on debentures of Mercury Paints Limited. Okay, I already told you listed or not listed, TDS percentage 10. Understand? Yes, only interest given, then you have to gross it up. Okay, write down interest on debentures of Mercury Paints Limited. Write in bracket 7,200 into 100 divided by 100 minus 10, how much? 90. How much? 8,000. Okay, next. Last one. Rupees 7,200 as interest on tax-free debentures of Gunjan Electricals Limited, not listed. TDS rate 10%. Okay, only interest given. Then you have to gross it up. Okay, write down. Write down point number E. Interest on tax-free debentures of Gunjan Electricals Limited. Right. Net interest 7,200 into 100 divided by 90. How much? 8,000. Okay, 8,000. Completed? Yes. Please see problem. Yes, we recorded everything. Okay. Next, find out total. 6,000 plus 8,000, 14 plus 8, 22,000 plus 8, 30 plus 8, 38,000. 38,000. Okay. In front of the total, write down income from other sources. Income from other sources. Income from other sources, how much? 38,000. Thank you. Next, problem number 4. From the following particulars furnished by Samir, compute his income from other sources for the year. There are 16 items in the problem. Okay, next write down solution. In the middle of the page, write down computation of income from other sources of Mr. Samir. Completed. Draw one particular 2 amounts column. One particular 2 amounts column. Yes. Point number 1, director fees, rupees 18,000. Write down director fees, write down last column, 18,000. Any director fees received that comes under income from other sources. Director fees idre adu elli barutte, income from other source alli barutte. Okay. Next, agricultural income, land in India 30,000, land in UK 50,000. Completed. Agricultural income relating to land in India fully exempt from tax. If any income received relating to agriculture land which is situated outside India, then it is fully taxable. Okay, 30,000 exempt agutte, 50,000 taxable agutte. Okay, write down agricultural income exempt. Next, last column write down 50,000. Completed. ಭಾರತದ ಕೃಷಿ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಆದಾಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ತೆರಿಗೆ ವಿನಾಯಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಕೃಷಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಆದಾಯ ತೆರಿಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್. Bank FD, net income given 16,146. If net income given, then you have to gross it up. You already know TDS percentage. Interest on bank FD, how much? 10%. Okay. Write down interest on bank FD. Write in bracket 16,146 net interest into 100 divided by 100 minus 10. How much? 90. How much? Is it 17,940? 17,940 last column. Okay, next. Interest on post office SB account 1,840. Interest on post office SB account up to rupees 3,500 exempt under section 1015. Got it? Exempt. You may also write in bracket exempt up to rupees 3,500. Exempt up to rupees 3,500. Completed. Exempt up to rupees 3,500. Over. Next. Post office monthly income scheme. Interest on post office monthly income scheme. Interest on post office monthly income scheme 24,000, fully taxable. Write down 24,000 last column. Next. Interest on NSC, interest accrued 8,240. Interest on NSC due or accrued, taxed under the head income from other sources. Write down last column 8,240. Completed. Next. Interest on tax-free government securities. Interest on tax-free government securities 5,000 given. It is fully exempt from tax. Write down tax-free government securities exempt. Understand? Tax-free ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತೆರಿಗೆ ವಿನಾಯಿತಿ ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ. Okay, exempt from tax. Completed. Next. Next. Number 4. Dividend from Indian companies rupees 8,400. Dividend received from Indian company up to rupees 10 lakh exempt from tax. Exempt. Up to rupees 10 lakh exempt from tax. Okay. Next. Number 5. Dividend from foreign companies 12,000 fully taxable. Write down. Next. Dividend from foreign companies, how much? 12,000. Write down last column. Next. Number 6. Prize won in colors dance contest. Gross amount given. Okay. This is one of example 2. Casual income. Casual income in ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು. Okay. Gross income ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Fully taxable. Okay. 20,000. Write down. Number 6, prize won in color dance contest 20,000. Okay. Next, number 6/7, winning from lottery, net income given. Okay, if net income given, then you have to gross it up. TDS on lottery, 30%. Okay, write down winning from lottery, net income given, grossed up ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 20,730 20,730 into 100 divided by 100 minus TDS 30. How much? 70. Yes. Find out amount. Is it 29,614? 29,614. 29,614. Completed. Next, point number 8. Rent received from subletting 1/3 of the house, 6,000. Mr. Samir resides in rented house. Okay, ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 1/3 ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? 6,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ 9, ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ 12,000. ಓಕೆ, total rent paid for the house, how much? 12,000. You have to deduct rent payable relating to 1/3 portion. 1/3 portion ಏನು ಸಬ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನಂಬರ್ 10, ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ 1,200 given. Okay, this 1,200 relating to full house. Okay, you have to deduct 1/3 of municipal tax from rent received from subletting. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಬ್ಲೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಏನು ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ 1/3 ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ subletting house. Okay, yes, we shall work out one by one. Okay, first write down rent received from subletting 1/3 of house. First amount column, how much? 6,000. Next, write down less point A, rent paid relating to 1/3 of the house. Okay, how much? 12,000 into 1/3. Completed. Is it 4,000? Next, less point B. What is that? Municipal taxes. How much? 1,200 for full house. You have to deduct only 1/3 portion. Is it 400? 400. Next, total deductible amount, how much? Is it 4,400? 4,400 first amount column. 6,000 minus 4,400. How much? 1,600 last column. Completed. Please see point number 8 once again. Rent received from subletting 1/3 of the house, 6,000, less rent paid 12,000 for full house. You have to deduct 1/3 rent. How much? 4,000. Municipal tax 1200 into 1 by 3. Okay, total amount deductible 4400. Next, taxable amount 1600. Completed. Next, point number 7 over, 8 over, 9 over, 10 over. Next one, number 11. Please see, loss from card games rupees 8000. Okay, loss from card games, not an income. You cannot set off this loss from other income. ಅದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ನಂಬರ್ 12. ಲಾಟ್ರಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ rupees 2500. Purchase of lottery ticket is not an income. Understand? Leave it. Next, cash gift from father rupees 60,000. If any gift received from father, exempt from tax. Okay. Write down cash gift from father. Last column, exempt. Completed. Next, number 14. Gift on the occasion of the wedding or marriage anniversary. Okay, sometime in the problem it may be given like that, wedding anniversary. Sometime in the problem it may be given that wedding anniversary. Sometime it may be given marriage anniversary. Okay, 50,000. Gift on the occasion of marriage anniversary is fully taxable if the gift value exceeds 50,000. If the gift value exceeds 50,000. Understand? Write down number 14. Okay, point number 10. Gift on the occasion of the wedding or marriage anniversary. Gift value does not exceed 50,000. Gift value does not exceed 50,000, hence exempt from tax. Understand? Next, point number 15. Gift in the form of car rupees 3 lakhs. Gift in the form of car. Car is a movable asset. The word property does not include car. ಕಾರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮೂವಬಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟಿನ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ತೆರಿಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಕಾರ್, ಹೆನ್ಸ್ it is not considered while computing income from other sources. Okay, not taxable. You may write in bracket not taxable. Last column write down, put a small dash. Okay, next number. Number 16. Dividend from cooperative bank 10,000. Okay, dividend received from cooperative bank, fully taxable, comes under income from other sources. How much? 10,500. $10,500. Completed? Yes, please check it. Number 1 over, 2 over, 3 completed, 4 over, 5 over, 6 over, 7 over, 8 over, 9 completed, 10 completed, 11, 12 taken into account, 13 over, 14 over, 15 over, 16 over. Okay, we recorded everything. Then find out total. 18,000 plus 50,000 plus 17,940 plus 24,000 8,240 plus 12 plus 10 32,000 plus 29,000 29,614 plus 1,600 plus 10,500. How much? 1,91,894. 1,91,894. $1,91,894. In front of the total, write down income from other sources. These are some information relating to problem number 4. Problem number 4 completed. Thank you.